Setting volume-based alerts in TradingView is a straightforward process designed to assist traders in monitoring significant changes in trading volume. This can be particularly useful for identifying potential breakouts or shifts in market sentiment. To begin, open the TradingView platform and navigate to the chart of the asset you're interested in. Once you have the chart open, look for the Indicators button on top of the screen. Clicking on this will open the Indicators menu. In the Indicators menu, search for a volume-based indicator. Once you find your desired indicator, add it to your chart. Next is to add your alerts. Look for the Alerts menu, also found on top of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal the option to create a new alert. In the Alert Creation menu, you'll find a variety of conditions you can set for your alert. For a volume-based alert, select the volume-based indicator from the drop-down list. This allows you to set an alert based on high volume level or low volume level. To further customize your alert, you can specify whether this condition needs to be met within a single candle or over a period of candles, depending on your trading strategy. Additionally, you have the option to decide how you would like to be notified when the alert is triggered. TradingView offers notifications via on-screen pop-ups, email, or SMS, ensuring you never miss a critical volume spike. After setting your conditions and notification preferences, simply create your alert. It will now actively monitor the market for your specified volume conditions and notify you accordingly. This enables traders to react swiftly to market movements without having to constantly watch the charts.